Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a common problem that many people face when trying to stream their favorite content online. The problem is the annoying buffering that can interrupt the viewing experience and leave you frustrated. We all know how frustrating it can be when you're right in the middle of an exciting scene, and suddenly, the video starts buffering, right? Let's dive into this problem and explore a solution that can help improve your streaming experience. Now, let's discuss the solution to this buffering problem. The key to resolving this issue lies in optimizing your internet connection. By connecting your device directly to the router using an Ethernet cable instead of relying on a Wi-Fi connection, you can ensure a more stable and faster connection. This solution may seem simple, but it can make a significant difference in your streaming quality. So, the next time you're settling in for movie night, consider going the wired route for a smoother viewing experience. In addition to using an Ethernet cable, another solution to improve your streaming quality is to reduce the number of devices connected to your network while streaming. When multiple devices are competing for bandwidth, it can slow down your connection and lead to buffering issues. By limiting the number of devices connected or pausing downloads and uploads during streaming, you can allocate more bandwidth to your viewing, resulting in a smoother playback experience. Now, that's a win-win situation. In summary, if you're tired of dealing with constant buffering while streaming your favorite shows or movies, consider using an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection and limiting the number of devices connected to your network. These simple solutions can go a long way in enhancing your streaming experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Remember, a smooth stream is a happy stream.